Brightness is one of the key properties of LED displays. By comparing solid color, red, green, blue, white, etc. displays, we are able to evaluate the overall chromaticity and brightness consistency of the EagerLED module. After light gun measurement, the results showed that the brightness of the EagerLED module reached 5,000 nits, while the brightness of competing products was only 4,300 nits. This clearly shows that our LED modules clearly surpass our competitors in terms of brightness and have better display performance. EagerLED's LED module mask appears deeper black, while the LED module mask of competing products appears white. This comparison shows that EagerLED's LED modules are more saturated and deeper in mask color, which may help improve the contrast and color vividness of the display. In a similar price range, EagerLED's LED modules are equipped with module grip, while competing products do not have this feature.